हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज है सैटरडे, सुबह के बज चुके हैं 8:15 AM। नमस्ते जी once again and sorry for the delay for no vlogs since last 4 to 5 days। थोड़ा काम में बिजी था। आज कुछ अलग है and this is my beautiful village called as Painganim। Let me show you my beautiful village। Painganim का village जो है, it is in the state of Goa in the taluka of Kankon। This is where I stay, this is where I live। मेरा पूरा बचपन जो भी हूँ यहीं पर हुआ है। It's a nice beautiful village। बहुत ही सुंदर विलेज है, शांत, सुशील। That's my house। आज बहुत ही बड़ा दिन है and it's gonna be very 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 hectic। जुड़े रहिए। और आज हम एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मीटिंग है होंडा में एंड 2-3 और भी काम है। वन इज द शोकेस ऑफ द न्यू सिंपल एनर्जी स्कूटर जिसका नया शोरूम खुला है मड़गांव में, वो भी रिकॉर्ड करना है, तो जुड़े रहिए। The beautiful village of Galjibaga or outskirts of Galjibaga, entering on the main highway from our village। Enjoy the view। That's the beautiful beach of Talapand। Just stopped by this beautiful highway, trying to capture this। I don't know if it's clearly visible or not। It's a nice flight। I don't know why it's not getting captured। तो हम पहुंच चुके हैं मड़गांव टाउन में, सॉरी मड़गांव शहर में। और सिंपल एनर्जी जो कंपनी है उनका यहाँ पर एक नया शोरूम खुला है। यहाँ पर भी एक अच्छी सी विजिट देंगे। उनके जो भी मॉडल्स हैं उनको देखना है कि मैंने भी 3 साल पहले सिंपल एनर्जी की जो सिंपल वन स्कूटर, इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर है, इसको बुक किया है। और रिसेंटली 14 सितंबर को उनका शोरूम यहाँ पर खुला है। सो विल बी शॉर्टली जुड़े रहिए इस वीडियो में। और शोरूम यहीं पर है। दिस इज बेसिकली द आउटस्कर्ट्स ऑफ मडगांव सिटी इन गोवा। दिस इज द ईस्टर्न बाईपास हाईवे। ईस्टर्न बाईपास या वेस्टर्न बाईपास ठीक से मालूम नहीं। प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन बिलो इफ आई एम रॉन्ग। एंड द शोरूम इज वेरी क्लोज टू द Arlem Nexa showroom. Here's the showroom. तो ये रहा हमारा नेक्सा शोरूम। This Nexa belongs to the Chowgule Industries Private Limited. This is the Nexa outlet, and here's what I'm interested for the day: Simple Energies outlet. So हम पहुंच चुके हैं पोंडा शहर में, और गाड़ी मैंने कर दी है पार्क कुछ यहाँ पर। एंड आपको जल्दी मिलते हैं मीटिंग के बाद। हियर वी आर एट द सिंपल एनर्जी आउटलेट, द शोरूम इन मडगांव सिटी। सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट इफ दे अलाउ अस टू व्लॉग इनसाइड द शोरूम। दैट्स द आउटलेट फ्रॉम सिंपल एनर्जी at the Arlem Junction. So taking the test drive of the Simple One without wasting any time, starting with the Eco mode. Let's see what's the top speed in Eco mode. So in Eco mode it goes somewhere close to, let me see, somewhere around 40 kilometers per hour. It's around 40. Let's change our mode to the next mode is the ride mode, and top speed is pretty much good, very good. Suspension is pretty much comfortable, बहुत ही comfortable है suspension. Oh my god, ride mode goes somewhere above 60. In that mode, oh my god, that mode is way too fast. Let me try the dash mode once again. Pretty fast, pretty fast. Okay, that's all good. Let's try the sonic mode, and in sonic mode the torque is really powerful. I think it's gonna go above 100 kilometers an hour. I don't have the open roads to try the sonic mode, but yeah, definitely it's way too fast. It's way too fast. And Simple One, you have nailed it. It's way too fast. The torque in the ride mode itself is very punchy. very instantaneous. Throttle response is very good, linear, as required by a new rider or experienced rider. It's way too good. Very smooth, especially the comfort, the suspension. बहुत ही अच्छा है. Let's go back to the showroom. First of all, thank you Rupan sir for the wonderful test ride of the range and also for allowing me to shoot inside your wonderful premises of Simple One. First of all, I would like to know some USPs of Simple One and Dot One for my wonderful viewers so that I can give the message to my audience.
So, Simple One and Simple Dot One. या दोन variants of Simple One.
Okay.
Like you asked me USP of this bike are mainly two. One is range.
Yes.
This has got a 5 kilowatt battery, which is not there in any other electric
In the
two-wheeler
segment.
Yeah,
In
this segment. Okay. Like the closest competitor has got a 4 kilowatt battery, then there is a 3.7 kilowatt battery.
Okay.
But this is a 5 kilowatt battery. So that is one good part about it. The company takes more than 200 kilometers of range on one charge. But
Practically it will be
practically 190 on the eco mode.
So it is much higher than what we get if it's competitive.
Yes, the range is much higher than any competitor. It's a 5 kilowatt battery. And the second thing is the power.
The motor.
Yes, you have experienced the vehicle. You will be a better judge than me, I would say, on the power of the vehicle. It has got tremendous power. The peak torque is 60 Newton meter, which is more than any other electric scooter in India. Top speed is 105 kilometers per hour.
In Sonic.
Yes, in Sonic. So acceleration figures and range is unparalleled. Now coming to the other USPs. One thing is riding comfort.
Yes, definitely. The seat was very comfortable and the suspension.
Yes. So a lot of customers the suspension is very good. Riding position is very good. The handlebar position, seat position, everything is perfect. So that is what also we get the feedback from customers. And another thing which we can see is the components that are used. The suspension components, the brake components are all branded and high quality components. And more importantly, it's a made in India product. Chinese guys now. So EV market, I think just EV market today has got two types of brands. One is the Indian brand and the other Chinese brands. So people who buy Indian brands, for example, even our competitors like TVS iQ, Chetak, these also are good products.
But collaborating with
They are good products. Simple, these are one category of electric vehicles. And there's another category of electric vehicles which are just importing material from China. It will be the body, it will be the chassis, it will be the brake components, suspension, batteries, everything imported from China.
and assembled in
And assembled here. So these vehicles are not eligible for FAME subsidy also. Government says those vehicles which have made in India
Only for
components,
them.
they are eligible for FAME subsidy. And these made in India products are the good quality products. So EV market today is got two kind of brands. Earlier it was Chinese brands which were dominating. But today if you see the Vahan portal, government RTO registrations of the portal, third vehicles are only of these good Indian brands. The Chinese brands are slowly being pushed out of the picture. This is one of the Indian brands. That is why we are vouching for it.
So what are the color options, sir, for the Simple One and or the Dot One?
So Simple One Dot One ने color option का आता दाखवता. This is the matte black.
Okay.
This is the matte black dual tone.
Okay.
This is a higher premium price product. मागीर Azure blue म्हणून येता. This is a very unique color. Wow color generally scooters चड पळोवपाक मेळना.
Okay.
This is also very popular color. Yeah. is the white, and there is one Namma red.
Okay, so this is the Namma red color.
Namma red.
Okay. And the
एक white and dual tone येता.
हाँ.
white and dual tone.
Okay, so this is the dual tone for with white and red combi.
Dual tone, white and red.
Okay,
These are the color variants.
okay. Sir, can we have also the instrument console and how it looks like? Okay, that's the animation.
सो हेजेर तुमकां इंस्ट्रुमेंट कन्सोलाचेर सगळे मोड्स खंयचे आसात ते कळटा.
Okay,
आनी तुमकां मॅप्स आसतले.
okay, for navigation.
येस. आनी तुमकां हेजेर तुमकां फिचर्स कळटले. सो हियर यू वील हॅव ऑल युअर ओनरशीप डिटेल्स.
Okay,
मागीर तुमकां तुमच्या व्हेहिकलाचे डिटेल्स आसतात. टायर प्रेशर मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टमूय येतली
okay. It comes with the TPMS.
रायट नाव इट डजंट कम. इट इज एडिशनल एक्सेसरी दॅट यू हॅव टू बाय.
Okay.
तुमकां पूण हेजेरूच कळटलें टायर प्रेशर कितलो आसता.
Okay,
मागीर तुमकां बॅटरीचे तुमकां कळटा पर्संटेज. नाव दिस स्कूटर हॅज गॉट 2 बॅटरीज.
Yeah.
दिस इज द मेन बॅटरी, दिस इज द पोर्टेबल बॅटरी.
Okay,
हेजेर तुमकां
okay.
पर्संटेजीस कळटा.
so
कितली आसा.
individually it is displayed on the screen.
येस, इंडिव्हिज्युअल
Okay.
डिस्प्ले. तुम्ही डिस्टन्स कितली कवर केल्या, सर्व्हिसिंग केन्ना आसा, इज देर एनी परफॉर्मन्स तुमकां हेजेरूच कळटा.
Okay, fine.
नंतर कस्टमायझेशन ऑप्शन्स, कलर्स यू कॅन कस्टमायज.
Okay, for the UI.
येस येस. देन देर कनेक्टिविटी, ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टिविटी आसतली. देन इनकॉग्निटो मोड तुमकां करपाक मेळटा. कॉल तुमकां कॉल
Okay.
हेजेर डिस्प्ले
Answering.
करपाक मेळटा.
Okay.
देन दीज आर एमर्जन्सी कॉन्टॅक्ट. इन केस समथींग हॅपन्स तुमकां पुलिसाचो कॉन्टॅक्ट हांगा कॉल करपाक मेळटलो.
Okay, or any relative close by.
येस, ते तुमकां एमर्जन्सी कॉन्टॅक्ट घालपाक मेळटा.
Okay,
सो दीज आर द फीचर्स. आनी हेजे तुमकां मोड्स चेंज करपाक मेळटा टू गेट द रेंज. नाव यू सी नाव इट इज 97% बॅटरी आसा.
yeah, and it
आणि
is showing
185 kilometers range. So when
In
it's
eco
100
mode.
Yes, in eco mode. So when it is 100%, it gives 190 kilometers range.
Okay, practical range.
Yes, 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 yes.
And how do we change the modes, sir?
Change up, you just
Okay.
press this, your modes get changed. This is
Okay.
the on switch, on off switch.
Okay, okay, to turn on the,
Yes, it
the
has
whole
got
system.
a reverse function also.
Okay,
You can put it in reverse via this button.
okay. Can we see the boot space, sir?
Yes. So
Okay.
this simple one has got 2 batteries. One is below the floorboard.
Okay,
and one
the
is
main battery.
Yes, main battery is here. This is a 3.7 kilowatt battery.
Okay,
Here inside the boot there is a 1.3 kilowatt battery. This is the removable battery.
okay. Which we can charge at our
Yes.
workplace or home or
Yes.
wherever we go.
You will get another charger. You can buy it as an accessory.
Okay.
And you can then charge this. But on the current charger which you have, when you put it for charging here, your both main battery and this battery get
Both are getting charged
Both
simultaneously.
get
Okay,
charged.
okay,
You can take
okay.
a look at the boot space,
Okay, it has a nice LED light also.
and you
Okay.
can put a full face helmet easily. It fits into the boot
Okay,
space.
which is a nice thing.
This is 13 plus leather boot space.
Okay, pretty good. And these are the internal parts.
Plus in the boot space you get a mobile
Charger also.
Yeah.
Okay, a USB charger.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Last, can we have this nice display of parts? So this is the motor.
So this is the
Okay.
main battery.
Okay.
So you take a look here. This is the
Okay,
main
so
battery.
this is the main battery pack.
3.7 kilowatt.
Okay.
This is the portable battery, 1.3 kilowatt.
Okay.
And this is the powerhouse of the scooter, the
Yeah.
motor.
The motor. These are all the
These are
panels.
this is just to make
Okay.
you understand the color option.
Color options. Okay, all in one place. Okay, so this is the white, the number red. Okay,
Azure
the
blue.
Yeah.
And grey. And
Okay. The most comfortable seat.
yes, a lot of people have said that the seat is very comfortable.
Definitely,
Very
definitely, sir.
comfortable.
Okay. Thanks a lot, sir, for the information.
Most welcome. Most welcome.
Thank you. So this is the showroom at Madgaon, Arlem Junction of Simple Energy. It's very nice, decent, and these are the staff who are handling the customers. And this is where all the production is kept in the lots. अब सिंपल वन का शोरूम से हम वापस जा रहे हैं घर और घर जाने के टाइम गाड़ी में टाइम पास हो रहा है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूट्यूब.
बहुत सारे लोगों ने ना अपने घर में गाड़ियों का भी कलेक्शन बनाया होता है. छोटी छोटी गाड़ियों का ना पूरा रूम बनाया होता है. कलेक्शन छोड़ो,
Chatwaji, who has recently won his Motovlogger of the Year award. One of my inspirations. So guys, before we end this video, a little bit more information on the scooter that I reviewed today, the Simple One and the Dot One. Basically there are two models as of now from Simple Energy. सिर्फ दो ही मॉडल हैं और उनका ऑन रोड प्राइस इन गोवा is something like this what they give, and here we have, I hope it is clear. So the Simple One comes to around 1,79,000 on road price, and the Dot One comes to 1,58,000. That's what they have given to me, and that includes the FAME 2 subsidy of 10K. That was all about today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please do comment. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे या बुरा लगे, कमेंट्स बता देना. And keep the love. Please share, subscribe, and signing off.